Okay, so here we've got the disassembled input shaft from the Evo 3 GSR gearbox. So third gear, third, fourth hub slider, fourth gear, the sub gear, the associated synchronizers, the fifth gear bearing race, and the end bearing. There's a snap ring that goes on the shaft as well. Fortunately I didn't get any footage of that one, which kind of sucks, but I do have the first, second cluster here, so we'll get some footage of the disassembly of this. So first off, you're going to take the snap ring off the end, and then you're going to get under this bearing with your puller, or under second gear, depending, if you've got enough, if you've got a large enough bearing splitter to get under second gear, do that. In theory, I was going to say in theory pull them off, but I can't remember if there was a snap ring underneath here, so we'll do this first and then probably pull the bearing off with my puller, because I don't have a very, very large one. So basically with the bearing splitter you get underneath the race, tighten it right up, and then pull on it and hope for the best. I'll show you the puller assembly set up in a minute. Alrighty, once you've got your dodgy as fuck Chinesium grade puller set up on there, snap ring removed, hold this all steady, wind this in, hopefully this comes off. Worst case scenario, you deform the cage and bits of the race start fracturing off, so wear safety glasses when you do this. Okay, this is where it gets sketchy. I don't have a wide enough puller, so we're going to try this. I can't get it underneath first gear, so we're going to try and pull the first, second hub and sleeve, and first gear, and the bearing, pressed on bearing race, all at once. We shall see what happens. These, I need longer studs, but I don't have any, so we'll see how we go. Just thought I'd say, this method does actually work. So you get underneath second gear there, just give it a bit of a pull, away she comes. Alrighty, that lifts off, uses a nice stack, and all we have left on here are some needle bearings and the other tapered roller bearing there, which is also fun to get off. So yeah, that's pretty much the disassembly. The disassembly of the shafts isn't too bad. Seemed like a lot more fucking around last time I did it. I just stuck a bolt in the intermediate shaft here to give something for the puller bolt to bite into rather than the end of the shaft. Back in there. So yeah, strip this down, get everything cleaned up, lay it all out nice and neat.